Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the spark plug and spark plug wire on a 2004 Mini Cooper Type S. So this job is a very easy job. You can try it at home or try it. So the spark plug wire, I use a barrel wire. It's a part number in here ZEF1480, and on the spark plug I use the Bosch one. Bosch a spark plug, and the part number I didn't see in here though. This or maybe 6743 is the part number, I guess. Okay, so let's get it started, guys. So very simple. This one is a coil firing order. It's 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, simple. Check it out. Remove the wires out. And very simple job, guys. Very simple. And this one for the spark tool, I use a snap-on. It's a 3H and an extension and a 3H ratchet. Okay, now easy. Plug out. It's three. This one is number 4. Out, and let me check out the new spark plug. Alright, this one you have to put some, okay, this one anti seize. Just put a little bit on the spark plug. Okay. almost done, guys. Almost done with the spark plug, and after we're gonna install the spark plug wire and start the engine and ready to go. Okay, perfect. So let me open the box. See the spark plug wire. Okay, should be good. Let me go get some loop for the spark plug wire. Just want to loop it, check it, and this one is number 2. Let me see, this one number 3. I think 3 is the shortest one. No, I don't think so. So maybe go to number 2 or number 1. Could be number 1.
Hello.
This one
Good afternoon.
gonna be number 2. So give me a second, okay? It's number 3. Oh, it doesn't want to go in. 3. This one can go to number 4. So we're gonna go to number 2. See? Make sure it click it, because it's very important. We don't want it's not click, it's not all the way in. So that's all, guys. It is how to install remove and install the spark plug and spark plug wire on a 04 Mini Cooper Type S. So if you guys have any question, just let me know, and thank you.